In this video, we'll be sewing the base of the fox's ears. And this is just to keep the stuffing from going up into the ears when you stuff him. So what I'll do is I'll take my needle, which is threaded, and I'm gonna push it between the two layers of fabric. I don't want to catch the layers. I just really want to have my needle right between the two layers of fabric. And I'm going to push my needle out right above where that stitch guide is, just at the base of the ear. And the reason why I do that is so that I can pull my knot through between the two layers and my knot will be hidden. And I'm just going to place probably 3 or 4 running stitches above that line, that guide line, just following just above it. There's just enough space between the ear and the guideline to put your stitches. So I've made 2 running stitches. I'm going to make a third. And I think that will do it. You can see I've just put 3 stitches right above the guideline. Now I'm going to pick up some fabric and make a loop on the back side or wrong side of the work. I'm going to make a loop there. I'm going to put my needle through it once and twice to create a knot, because we always want to finish our work with a knot so that our stitches don't come undone. And I'm going to take my needle and almost in the same place where that knot is, I'm going to stick my needle through back between the 2 layers of fabric. You don't want to see the needle on the front or back side of the work, just right between the 2 layers. See there, I picked up a little bit from the front side. I did not want to do that. So I just want it to be right between the 2 layers so that my thread will go between the 2 sides. You can see hasn't caught the front piece of fabric at all. And then I'll take my thread and pull it just a little so that knot basically disappears. Kind of goes up inside of the fabric. And then I just snip that tail off and it'll be hidden right between the 2 layers of fabric. So when I stuff it, it'll just pull right through and disappear. And there's that one ear done. You want to do the exact same thing on the other side so that both ears have that little row of stitches just above that guideline.